Sweet Jeans Bake Shop. This is me and Ari Attempts. Today we're making a candy cake. Time to punch out all the cutters. This is candy for 4. And this is a gummy bear. This is a choo-choo train. Apple. This is a school bus. This green flavored candy. Green apple.
Maybe.
This is lemon flavored candy. This is blueberry flavored candy. And this is raspberry flavored candy. Let's get making! Squirt all the water in. Fill up to the line. Now it's time to add the candy powder. 1 color for each pot. Time to get color mixing. Do you know what 2 colors make purple? The answer is blue and red. Mia gets to pour the sugar. Choose a cookie cutter and fill it up. When you fill it up, it's going to make a beautiful candy. They tasted so yummy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this video. Bye. Ari Attempts every Saturday. Let's get making.